You're still in pain, you're still treating, you're still trying to understand what your doctors are telling you. And right in the middle of all of that, the insurance company calls not to help, but to warn you that your time is running out. They'll say they'll only cover your appointments for a short time, or that their offer won't be available much longer. It feels urgent, it feels important, but it's not real. And today I want to show you exactly why insurance companies create fake deadlines and how those deadlines are designed to protect them, not you. Hi, I'm Brandon Osterbind and I'm a personal injury lawyer here in Virginia, and I want to talk about a tactic insurance companies use all the time. A tactic designed to rush you, confuse you, and get you to settle your case long before you should. Fake deadlines. You might hear something like this after a crash. We'll cover your appointments through the end of the month. Or, this offer is only good until Friday. Or, if you don't settle soon, we may not be able to help you anymore. All of it sounds urgent. It sounds official. It sounds like you're going to lose something important. But here's the truth. Those deadlines, they're not real. They're not legal, and they're not created to protect you. They're created to protect the insurance company. When you're injured, your case does not become clearer on day one. You don't immediately know whether your pain will resolve or get worse. You don't know whether that back strain will heal or whether an MRI will later reveal a herniation. You don't know if your headaches are temporary or if they are the start of something more serious. Insurance companies don't want to wait for those answers. They want you to settle before you know the full extent of your injuries. And the easiest way to make that happen is to create this false sense of urgency. They know that if they can get you to settle early before the specialist, before the imaging, before the real diagnosis, they can settle your claim for far less than it's worth. And here's the part that most people never expect. These pressure tactics can violate Virginia law. In fact, under Virginia Code Section 38.2510, insurance companies are prohibited from misrepresenting facts or insurance policy provisions and from using unfair settlement practices. Creating fake deadlines, implying that your rights will expire in a few days, or suggesting that they won't help you if you don't settle quickly, those are all misleading tactics. They're designed to rush you into a low settlement, not to protect your health or your future. So what should you do if an insurance adjuster gives you a deadline? Let me give you 3 steps. First, don't accept the deal as real. There is no Virginia law that requires you to settle your injury claim within days or weeks of a crash. Your rights do not vanish because the insurance adjuster says they will. Second, don't settle before you're finished treating. You only get one settlement. One. Once you sign a release, your case is over. Even if your condition gets worse, even if you later learn that you need a surgery, even if your life changes in a way that you never anticipated. Third, talk to a lawyer before you sign anything. When an adjuster creates urgency, it's a sign that the insurance company is protecting itself, not you. A lawyer who handles these cases every day can guide you through the process and make sure that you're not rushed and ensure that you don't give up thousands of dollars simply because of someone else's manufactured deadline. If you are injured and an adjuster is pressuring you to settle quickly, give us a call. This is what we do all day, every day. We make sure your decisions are based on facts, not fear, and not fake urgency. But please know that there are some real deadlines too. For example, if you sue a government, you have to give early notice that you have a claim. And for every case, there is a statute of limitations. If you don't file a lawsuit before that time runs, then you're out of luck. But these other arbitrary deadlines that the adjusters impose on you are just bogus. That makes you wonder whether you should talk to the adjuster at all. Before you go, make sure that you watch the next video in this series, Should I Talk to the Insurance Adjuster? It will break down some key points on what to be aware of before you ever pick up the phone and talk to the adjuster.